There's a for rent and sale sign up on that house right there we just passed. There's a sold sign. Yeah, grab some snapshots, man. You can do video too, right? You do video on your phone if you want to. That's all I'm doing. I got it running right now. That is a house, and all that's left is the foundation right there.
I just hate taking pictures of people. Almost seems kind of wrong to me.
This is coming up on J-Town right here. These buildings have been here for years. There's bathtubs in the debris. Yeah, get one of that power complex if you can, real quick. I gotta slow down, go for it fast. Did you get one? That's the old pool hall, J-Town. It's no more.
Stop right there. I'm catching every goddamn piece of glass. I swear.
Well, now we're going to see how strong Taco Bell was. We're going to drive by Taco Bell again. If these yahoos will stop. Hold on, dude. I gotta watch traffic. I wonder if they'll let me go straight. All this damage is one street over from Mom and Dad's house. I don't know what he's doing. People are being really fucking stupid. There's a Taco Bell in front of us, and what's left? Ah, this is Dad's windshield. Ah, it's a puncture. And while I'm playing this video, we have a down tornado in Oklahoma already again tonight. I want this for my records. Did it take? Wow, they're taking their time letting us by. No, we should be able to go straight. 26 is the blocks. Salina police must be headed to Kansas. No street signs at all to see where we are at. Nothing left. Just saw a sign that says no water, need a beer. That's kind of funny. Bottled water on the corner for anybody that needs it. People digging through their homes to find whatever they can. That is just, oh my God. There's water just on the corners of the streets for people to get to and use. Wait on people to take pictures. Maybe then we can get to the house and get the rest of the stuff we need. Somebody stopped up there for no reason. That was me being an asshole making a move. Oh wait, they didn't. Thanks for waving us by now. This is one block over from our parents' home. Now we gotta identify the street they live on. I think it's the next block, isn't it? Is that a street sign left? I think it's this one. Is it that one?
26.
No, okay. There, the only street sign left, and it's for our parents' street. That is fucking amazing. The only street sign right there. Now we're turning onto their street, and you can just see the devastation. It's taken us 8 minutes from the time I started this video to get over here.